Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation of my book ordering system. This system enables customer to place order, calculate shipping and generate invoices all through at the Python-based graphical interface. It's built with modularity in mind, following object-oriented programming principles. Let's explore how it works. Uh, we start with Bookstore core.py where I implemented the basic functionality using core classes, customer class, store customer details like name, phone and emails, stock class, manage books including attributes like title, author and price. Order class ties customers and books together for processing orders. Shipping class calculates shipping cost based on urgency. Invoice class generates invoice by combining book, price and shipping cost. Bookstore class acts as a repository for all invoices. For instance, the customer class initializes attribute for name, phone, and email and provides gather to access them. Now second one, refactoring with inheritance. Bookstore dash core inher.py. To enhance reusability and modularity, I refactored the code into bookstore-core-inher.py. A base class version was created for shared attributes like name, phone, and email, which is inherited by the customer class. Similarly, a base class produce handles attributes like name and price inherited by the stock class. So, examples comparison. Here is the original customer class and here is how it inherits from version. The refactoring reduces redundancy and makes the code clean. Now another part, the graphical user interface bookstore-ui.py. The graphical interface built using Tkinter has four main sections: customer management, stock management, order placement, invoice management. Customer management: add customers with their name, phone number and mail. Stock management: add the books to inventory with title, author and price. Order placement: select a customer and a book, specify shipping urgency and place an order. Invoice management: search for invoice by number or view all invoices. Add a customer. Let's add a customer named Alex with her details. Add a book. Now let's add a book title Python programming by John Dew. Price at 29.99. Place an order. We will an order for Alex and select urgency shipping. Urgent shipping. The system calculates the shipping cost and generates an invoice. Search view invoice. Finally, we can search for the invoice and view all invoices. In summary, this project combines object-oriented design principles with inheritance for clean code, a functional GUI for a user experience, features like customer management, stock handling, order processing, and invoice generation. Reflecting on this, I learned the importance of modularity, the power of inheritance, and how to integrate GUI with the backend logic.